All right, let's do some piggy talking. Let's see what the piggies are up to, if any of them will come out and hang out with us. Wilbur! Wilbur! He's grunting every time I say his name. Wilbur, you gonna come out and say hi? He's been fed for the night, so he's... Peace out, bro. Peace out, right? He's done. But that's Wilbur. That's our stud muffin. That's our big papa. Yep. And then usually there's a chicken in here with them. Don't tell that chicken that she's not a spider like Charlotte. Just don't tell her. But she's trying to save his life, I think, by pretending to weave. No, actually, he doesn't eat all the, the granules. So guess what? Smart chicken. She hangs out with the pig, right? Then you get lots of stuff. Let's go see if we can find some other piggies. I think they're probably out in their far pasture. Just rootin', tootin', and doing all their things. And I got a big announcement for that. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, the exciting news is Blondie, right? Her piglets are going to be here pretty darn soon. So I'm really excited for that. I mean, we're counting down. She wants me to go in and cuddle with her. And I don't have my stand to be able to go in and video at the same time. I'm sorry, Blondie. Here, let's switch it. Hey, Mama. What's going on? Listen. Oh, she likes to cuddle. Oh, look at, she's got that red purple on her. We gave her a bunch of, my son told me she rolled in the leftover grapes. You're funny. All right, don't roll over there. We're too close to the line, my friend. My little love muffin. So that's Blondie. Oh, don't do it, because it's so hard. Yeah, she's pregnant. Do you know how hard it is as a pregnant woman when you're just about to give birth to get up and down? That's kind of what she's feeling right now. And then the other one we have over here, that's Red. Hi, Red. She's a totally different type of pig. And then that right there is Hazel. Well, I can't point doing it backwards. That's Hazel right there. She is my cooking club mascot. And we had a little break-in or a breakout, however you want to say it. So she might be pregnant too. We'll find out in wintertime, nonetheless. Like, 200 inches of snow wintertime. But they're cute little piglets. And we are at the Accidental Pig Farmers. So it's very perfect and fitting, isn't it? So we'll say bye to the piggies. That's not a piggy, that's a sheepster. So say bye. Bye, Blondie. Bye. See what I tell you guys? A few more ladies out here. Hi, ladies. We look at this big, beautiful, amazing land. And we're like, oh, look at this field. And there was only 2 sheepies out there. Yes, hello, 007. You're the friendliest. Hello, girlfriend. You want some love? I don't have any snacks for you, but oh, there you go. Oh, hey, that was a bite. No, don't do that. Got Club 21, and we've got a new member over here. Hi, Chocolate. I wonder why he's named Chocolate. Look at those eyes. Do you feel them staring at you? Look at you. Hey, buddy. Yeah, so we had to get some more sheeps, So these are the wool sheeps, all ladies. Except for you. Sorry, Chocolate, you're not a lady. But you are their companion friend out here and also protector. So a couple hair sheep. 4 more lady sheeps. Big old Chocolate right there. So yeah, we just had to have more. You just can't have 3 sheep. You can have 2 ladies sitting out here by themselves. We need some more love. Why not? Look at this land that we have that we can give to them. They're doing a good job cleaning up all the weeds and eating it down. Look at all the little baby hens can come out and about. We've got all kinds of ones. Oh, shoot. What are you guys called? I don't know. My husband's department. The white ones. Hello, little silkies. Hello, little cuties. Some that we hatched here, like that one there. And then we've got chicken noodle soup. And we've got some barred rocks. Some Plymouth. Like those gray ones. Oh my gosh. They're like, I think they're called Plymouth Blue Rocks, but they're actually gray. How pretty. And then a bigger hen. Oh, and another bigger hen that found where we're keeping the feed. Hi, guys. What's going on? Oh, it's so fun to be out. Oh, they've loved it when we let them out. Be free and live in the wild.